Reddit is on the rise, following the launch of its new AI-powered ad tools at the Cannes Lions Festival. This development is a significant step forward for the company, which has faced challenges due to changes in Google's search algorithm. Reddit's new tools are designed to help marketers tap into the platform's vast repository of user-generated content, providing real-time insights into trending conversations and allowing brands to integrate positive user comments directly beneath their advertisements. The company's Reddit Community Intelligence Suite is a game-changer, turning billions of posts and comments into structured intelligence for smarter marketing decisions. This data will fuel two innovative products, an AI-powered social listening tool and a conversation summary add-ons feature. These tools will enable marketers to better leverage user discussions, driving stronger performance and helping consumers make decisions faster. Reddit's Chief Operating Officer, Jen Wong, highlights the value of human content on the platform, stating that, in a world increasingly flattened by AI, the value of human content on our platform only grows. The company's focus on community-driven interactions and real-time engagement sets it apart from other social media platforms. The new ad tools have shown promising results, with early tests indicating a 19% higher click-through rate compared to standard image ads. Reddit's ability to provide deep context, perspective, and the voice of real people at scale could be a key differentiator in the advertising space. Despite facing challenges due to Google's algorithm changes, Reddit's AI push could help stabilize revenue and attract continued attention from advertisers. With its massive base of user-generated content and community-driven platform, Reddit is positioning itself as a dynamic environment where brands can respond in real time to what people are already talking about. This could be a compelling pitch, especially with rivals like Snap and Pinterest pushing similar AI-powered strategies. Reddit's CEO, Steve Huffman, has hinted that while visibility might wobble, engagement remains strong, and this latest AI push might be a way to stabilize revenue regardless of search trends. As the company continues to refine its dataset and improve its ad platform, it's likely that we'll see increased adoption and revenue growth. With its AI-native ad platform, Reddit is securing its place and standing out in a tightening market.